In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy that I used to earn $145 in less than 24 hours. And I'm pretty sure that for some of you, $145 might not sound like a lot, but there is a secret here. There is a key here that I'm going to show you. And I'm going to share with you everything. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how do I actually earn $145 with this strategy in less than 24 hours. Okay, something important, guys, and this is actually key. As I mentioned before, chances are that for some of you, maybe $145 in less than 24 hours might not sound like a lot, but you're going to notice here that it says MRR. So that's $145 on monthly recurring revenue in less than 24 hours. What does that mean? Okay, for this, we need to understand that there are several types of products. We have low ticket products, okay? We have high ticket products, and we have recurring, those who are giving us monthly recurring income. Okay, with low ticket products, usually people charge literally between $1 to $99. It's a one-time payment. Okay, if you go with high ticket, you're going to be earning a commission of $1,000. That's going to be your commission. But with monthly recurring income, this is actually super powerful because sometimes you might be like, well, with monthly recurring income, I'm earning 30%. That's my commission. 30% commission. Maybe here you're earning $1,000 and here maybe they're giving you 100% of the commission. Okay. And you're going to be like, that doesn't sound like a lot, but because if I sell something and the commission is 30%, that means that I'm just earning $30. But here's the key. With the monthly recurring income, on month number 1, you are going to be starting with 0. But let's say that you refer 3 people on the very first month, okay? And you're earning $30 for 3, okay? So that's 90, right? On the second month, you don't start with 0. You start with 3 people. Those 3 that are here. Okay, so you start with $90. And let's say that again, you refer another three persons, okay? So now you have 6, 3 and 3, you have 6. So you're going to be starting with 6, okay? Let's say that now you have an amazing month and you refer 10 people, okay? $30, that's 300 plus the 180 that you have here. Okay, that's almost $500. It's 480. Okay, so as you can see, you are not starting with 0. You're starting with literally with money in your pocket. Yes, there are some people who are going to cancel, which is pretty normal, but this is a business model that you guys can do, and you don't have to create a product. You don't have to create a service. Okay, you don't have to be the next streaming company. Okay, you don't have to be the next streaming company, but you can actually get the benefits. Okay, so that's why for me this is actually key. Okay, because it's $145, but it's monthly recurring income, and I did it in less than 24 hours. So that means that this is going to be growing on a daily, and this is actually going to be growing on the monthly basis. So which type of products you can promote? Remember, you don't need to create them. You can recommend your favorite product, and chances are that that product already have, a program which is called affiliate program, in which you're going to be earning money on monthly basis. Okay, so they have a recurring program. Okay, which kind of thing that you can actually promote? You can promote a software, an app, a newsletter, a membership, web hosting, any kind of services. Okay. Diana, I love to work out. Okay, there is this excellent app that I use in which literally I'm paying $9 per month, sometimes even more depending on what they're offering, because it's helped me track how much I was lifting that day. It helped me tracks my calories intake. Okay, you can recommend that software and you're going to be earning commissions. So as you can see, chances are that you are already, using something, but you don't know that you have an affiliate program. So where you can find these products, you can go, for example, to JVZoo. Okay, JVZoo, it's literally a great way to start because they offer softwares. That's their main thing. Okay, you can also go to Partner Stack. Okay, you can also go to Partner Stack, and you can be what they call it a partner or a publisher. Okay, here at the top, you can go to Partner Stack, and you can partner with different companies. You can also go to Impact. Here on Impact, the affiliates are called publishers. So you're going to see here, you can create a free account. You can go to ClickBank. Here on ClickBank, you're going to find a lot of products in different languages and all the stuff. Also, you can go to Awin. Okay, you can go to Awin and you can find products that you can promote. Okay, and you can join here as an affiliate. Okay, but remember that we are going to be choosing products that are giving us monthly recurring revenue, monthly recurring incomes. Okay, most of them at the beginning, they're offering a free trial. So literally you are not selling anything. You're offering something for free. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So, Diana, okay, I already choose the product that I'm going to be focused, and this is something super important. I'm going to show you how you can promote more than one product in a strategic way. Okay, everything starts with what we call traffic. Literally, you can create short form content. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to talk. 5 to 7 second videos, put on text, and that's it. And you can post it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. You can also be blogging if that's what you like. If you like the written format, you can be blogging. You can put images on Pinterest. You can also create a YouTube video in a long form content. Okay, but this is really important. You need to create something that we call the capture page. Okay, the capture page is in which we're gonna ask the person to leave their name and email address. And if the product that you are promoting offer a free trial, okay, you can redirect them directly to the free trial. If they don't offer a free trial, you can offer something that we call a lead magnet. Okay, it can be anything related to the product that you are actually promoting, because the product that you are promoting helps people solving a problem. Okay, it helps people solving a problem. So now you're gonna have their name and email address, and you are going to be sending them information about this very first product. If it's just about the free trial, just offer the free trial. But in a strategic way, thanks to the email, and you can do this automatically, you can promote other products or other services. And this can be what I showed you before. These can be low ticket products, high ticket products, or other products in which you're going to be earning recurring income. So with that said, this is going to be like a snowball effect. Okay, this is actually going to be growing, and now $145 in less than 24 hours sounds like a business to me. Okay, because remember, this is going to be growing. So that means that if I didn't get any commissions right now, next month are going to be starting with $145. I'm not going to be starting from zero. And if life happens and you cannot be in front of a computer, in front of your cell phone, you know that you're not going to be starting from zero. With this system in place, okay, this is how you can actually earn passive income. And remember, it's going to be growing because you're going to be getting more eyeballs. You're going to be getting more people on your email list. Chances are that you're going to be promoting more products, more services. More people are going to be entering your ecosystem. So if you want to learn more about this, everything on the detail, check the very first link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.